Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Harshita Nagpal. A depression over southwest Bay of Bengal has crossed North Chennai coast this evening, according to the AP State Disaster Management Authority Commissioner. Under its impact, heavy rains are lashing several regions in Nellore and Chittoor district. While Puttur in Chittoor district received the highest of 12.7 cm rainfall, Tirupati received 8.2 cm and Nellore 5.9 cm. Over 400 people have been shifted to rehabilitation camps in Chittoor district. SPDCL has opened toll-free numbers for Chittoor and Nellore districts. The Municipal Corporation of Tirupati has also set up a control room to deal with distress calls. Earlier this afternoon, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy reviewed the situation in the affected districts of Nellore, Chittoor, Prakasam and Kadapa and directed officials to take all preventative steps. He instructed them to extend a financial assistance of 1,000 rupees to every person who has been shifted to the relief camp. All smaller aircraft services have been suspended till midnight at Tirupati Airport, while the larger Airbus services will continue to operate. The decision was taken after IMD issued a warning of heavy rainfall accompanied by high velocity of winds. The Met Department has predicted heavy rainfall at isolated places in north and south coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema regions tomorrow. Tension prevailed for a while as police used force on farmers and participants in the Amaravati Parirakshana Samiti's ongoing Mahapadayatra near Nagaluppalpadu village in Prakasam district. Some people from the village tried to join the yatra when the police stopped them, citing the High Court guidelines and COVID regulations. When the locals insisted, the police used mild force, during which one youngster sustained a minor injury. TDP Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu condemned the police lathi charge against peaceful protests and said the party stands firmly with the farmers. With that, it's a wrap. Do follow us on Twitter and Instagram and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.